Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change currency on Skyscanner. This is incredibly useful when you're planning trips and want to see flight prices in your preferred currency, making budgeting and comparison shopping much easier. First, open your browser and navigate to skyscanner.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps, as this ensures all your preferences are saved to your account. After logging in, scroll down to the very bottom of the Skyscanner homepage. This is where you'll find important account settings that many users overlook. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice a small box that displays your current settings, specifically showing the country, language, and currency that Skyscanner is currently using for your account. This box controls how prices and information are displayed throughout the site. Click on this box to open up the settings menu. A new window or panel will appear, giving you access to customize these preferences. This is where you can tailor Skyscanner to match your travel planning needs. Now look for the section labeled Currency. You'll see a drop-down menu right underneath it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available currency options. Skyscanner supports a wide range of currencies from around the world, so you should be able to find the one that works best for you. Scroll through the list and select your preferred currency by clicking on it. Once you've selected the currency you want to use, look for the Save button. This is typically located at the bottom of the settings panel. Click Save to apply your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that all future flight searches and price displays will be shown in your newly selected currency, making it much easier to understand costs at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Skyscanner. From now on, all the flight prices and booking information will appear in the currency you've chosen, helping you plan your travels with greater clarity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.